Hi, my name is Jerry. I ran across your ad in my Facebook feed today, and I wanted to take a look at your website, see if I can help you guys in any way. And it's actually a good thing that I did. Front of your website's beautiful. It's nice, clean, simple. The problem is the back of your website. It's not communicating the correct thing to Google. And I checked that by doing an SEO scan using this tool, SEOscan.org. Your website right here. Refresh this. Let's scan it again so you see it's a true scan. And your title tag and your H1 are very important. Currently your title tag has a length of 0. Yeah, you don't have one. You don't have an H1 tag either. As you can see, for values, nothing. Now, your title tag simply needs to say Columbia, South Carolina, or Elgin, South Carolina, whatever area you want to be ranked in Google for, space, dash, space, your keyword, which is sheds, space, dash, space, and Pineview Buildings of Elgin, your business name. Very simple. And your H1 simply needs to say Columbia, South Carolina, sheds. That's it. Very simple. You need your the website for your control panel. You need your control panel login and password to access it and make the changes that I suggested. Or you can do that yourself. It's nice and simple. Or you can get in touch with me and I'll be glad to do that. That's what I do. I help businesses get more clients by improving their ranking on Google. Of course, rankings across all websites, but Google's the big dog. So if you need some help doing that, I'll be glad to help you, because I'll show you how important that is. You're not ranking for anything on Google right now. This is Ahrefs, a big keyword rank checking website. I did a scan. Your keyword, sheds, your website, US check rankings. No, I'm not a robot. And no current organic rankings for pdbstorage.com. So give me a call and let's fix that, guys. Thank you and have a great day.